How to fix Telegram login failure. If you are facing Telegram login failures, start by checking your phone number and internet connection. Make sure you enter the full phone number with country code and check if you are receiving the login code via SMS or Telegram. If the code does not arrive, wait a few minutes or request it again. Avoid multiple attempts in a short time to prevent temporary blocks. If you use two-step verification, ensure you enter the correct password after the code. Try reinstalling Telegram or clearing its cache if login issues persist. Avoid VPNs or proxies during login. They might trigger Telegram security and block you. Have you struggled with Telegram login before? Tell us your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.